Would you like to know how to get a 100% free Sewing Guru membership or free exclusive downloadable sewing e-tips? Well, if you do, keep watching and I'm going to show you how you can get these things for free. I'm Michael Coates. I am the founder and creator of the Sewing Guru, a sewing and tailoring learning website, and welcome to my live video. So what we're going to do is we're going to get straight into this. I'm not going to muck about. Let's get straight into this, and I'm going to show you how to get, first of all, a free membership on the Sewing Guru site itself. Now, there is a link in the description of this video, so if you can't find it, click the link and you will be taken to either one of the free things that we're offering tonight. So I'm going to go to the live internet, as you can see there. Okay, so what you need to do is go to the Sewing Guru website. Now this is for a 100% free membership. Go to thesewingguru.com, as you can see, there's the web address there, and click free membership here. Now all you've got to do, there's a video here explaining what you need to do if you're not quite sure. Just put your full name in, your email, and then where you source. So in this case you would click Facebook. If you see it from YouTube, you click YouTube, and then you click register. And what would happen is we would then send you your login details to your email. Now you must remember that the email can end up in your junk folder. So if you can't see the email from us, click in your junk email folder and you will see the email there. But hopefully it's in your inbox and you'll see it from the Sewing Guru. Now once you have got and you've registered your free membership, you got your login details, what I'm going to do is go back and then you click here, login. And what will happen is it will take you to the free membership section. Now as you can see here, all of these here are links to the free videos that you can watch. Okay, so they're all here. So have a look around. They're all there and you get about 20 free videos, 100% free. Doesn't cost you anything. It's 100% free. Now we do have offers here as well within the free membership section to be able to sign up for a full membership, and these are cheaper than the actual prices that you get on the actual site itself. So have a look, just register and get yourself a free membership there and have a look at the site itself. Now the second thing that I was going to show you tonight is to get yourself a full set of free downloadable sewing e-tips. Now these are downloadable and they're in a PDF file and they are a full e-tip. So if you're interested in getting the set of e-tips like this, as you can see, it's a full-on book, lots and lots of e-tips there. Yeah, you can get this and you can get it free. All you need to do is click the link in the description where this video is and it will take you to this page here. As you can see here, getting the complete set of free sewing e-tips. It's not a con, this is real. So just put your email in, click to start, and you will get this popping up. Now this works on a mobile phone, every platform, everything else. Put your email in there, put your full name in there, and then claim your exclusive e-tips book today. And that will take you to the e-tip screen where you can download your PDF e-tip files all for free, and then you can keep them and you can create a book just like what I've got, like this here. You can create this book and you'll have your own set of e-tips. So click those links. If you're interested in both, click both, you know. But if you are interested in one or the other, go to one of the links, put your email in, and you will receive a complete free membership or sewing e-tips. So thanks for watching. I thought I'd just come on and let you know about that. So thanks for watching, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye for now.